Samsung might be about to pull off something nobody expected with the Galaxy S27 Pro. A new leak suggests the S27 Pro could get one of the biggest upgrades in the entire Galaxy S27 lineup, and it may even have an advantage over the Ultra. Here's why. The Galaxy S27 Pro is rumored to feature a 6.47-inch display, placing it right between the standard Galaxy S27 and the Galaxy S27 Plus. But the real surprise isn't the screen size, it's the battery. According to a new leak from X, Samsung could pack a massive 5,000 mAh battery inside the Galaxy S27 Pro. And that's a huge deal. Why? Because the Galaxy S27 Ultra is also expected to use a 5,000 mAh battery. So think about this for a second. If the Pro has the same battery capacity as the Ultra but a smaller display, it could actually deliver even better battery life. That's something nobody saw coming. But Samsung may not be stopping there. Leaks also suggest the Galaxy S27 Pro could borrow the same next-generation primary camera and ultra-wide sensor expected on the Ultra model. In other words, Samsung might be bringing flagship Ultra-level hardware to a much smaller device. And there's one more interesting detail. If Samsung can fit a 5,000 mAh battery inside the 6.47-inch Galaxy S27 Pro, then the larger Galaxy S27 Plus should have no problem matching or possibly exceeding that capacity. For now, these are still leaks and rumors. But if they turn out to be accurate, the Galaxy S27 Pro could end up being the smartest choice in Samsung's entire 2027 flagship lineup. The big question is, would you choose the Galaxy S27 Pro over the Ultra if it delivers the same battery and nearly the same cameras? Why does every new Galaxy Ultra become more powerful while the battery barely changes? Well, that might finally be about to change. A new Galaxy S27 Ultra leak has just surfaced, and if it's accurate, Samsung could be preparing one of the biggest upgrades Ultra fans have wanted for a very long time. The leak comes from tipster Debayan Roy on X. While his track record isn't fully established yet, some of the information he shared is difficult to ignore. According to the leak, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could finally receive a much larger battery, with the specification pointing toward a capacity close to 6,000 mAh. If true, this would be one of the most significant battery upgrades Samsung has made to an Ultra smartphone in years. But the battery might not be the only major improvement. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is also rumored to support Qi 2 wireless charging, which could bring magnetic accessories and a charging experience similar to MagSafe. This would be a huge step forward for Samsung's ecosystem, and something many Galaxy users have been requesting. The display is expected to get an upgrade as well. According to the leak, Samsung may use its latest M16 OLED material, allowing the screen to become brighter while consuming less power. That means users could enjoy improved visibility and potentially better battery life at the same time. Performance could see a massive leap too. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset, built on a cutting-edge 2-nanometer process. Paired with next-generation LPDDR6 RAM, the device could deliver faster speeds, better multitasking, and improved power efficiency compared to current flagship smartphones. One of the most surprising claims involves the phone's design. Multiple rumors suggest Samsung may be planning a completely new camera layout with a horizontal camera bump. After years of using floating camera rings on Galaxy Ultra devices, the company could finally be preparing a dramatic visual redesign for its flagship smartphone. As for the cameras themselves, the leak mentions a 200-megapixel HP6 main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 50-megapixel 5x periscope zoom camera. Samsung may have just made a huge decision for the Galaxy S27 Ultra, and it could be bad news for Exynos fans. According to a new report from Android Headlines, Samsung is expected to stick with Qualcomm for its next Ultra flagship. And the reason why is surprisingly simple. Despite years of investment in Exynos, Samsung still doesn't seem ready to trust its own chip in its most important smartphone. That means the Galaxy S27 Ultra could once again be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon chipset. But that's not even the most interesting part. Reports suggest Samsung could get a special for Galaxy version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6, a version built specifically for Galaxy devices. If true, the S27 Ultra could become one of the fastest Android phones ever made. And there's another major upgrade hiding behind the scenes. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 is rumored to be built on TSMC's advanced 2-nanometer process. Smaller chip, bigger gains. AI is becoming the biggest battleground in smartphones, and Qualcomm's new chip could give Samsung a huge advantage. Smarter cameras, faster image processing, better voice features, more powerful on-device AI tools. And for camera lovers, this could be where things get really exciting. Modern smartphone photography relies heavily on processing power. The stronger the chip, the better the results. That could mean faster photo capture, improved low-light shots, sharper videos, and an overall better camera experience on the Galaxy S27 Ultra. According to new leaks, Samsung could launch 4 Galaxy S27 phones next year. The Galaxy S27, Galaxy S27 Plus, Galaxy S27 Pro, and Galaxy S27 Ultra. But the real attention is now shifting toward the brand new Galaxy S27 Pro. The Galaxy S27 Pro is rumored to share many flagship features with the Galaxy S27 Ultra. Both phones could feature a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a new telephoto camera using Samsung's ALOP lens technology. On paper, they sound almost identical, but one small change could make a huge difference. Reports claim the Galaxy S27 Pro may use a 3.5 optical zoom camera, while the Galaxy S27 Ultra could feature a 5's optical zoom lens. At first, the Ultra sounds better, but here's the twist most people are missing. Portrait photos usually glitch around the 3x to 4x zoom range because faces appear more natural. Since the Galaxy S27 Pro may have a native 3.5x optical zoom lens, it could actually produce cleaner and more realistic portrait shots than the Ultra. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S27 Ultra may need to rely on sensor cropping for those zoom levels. That means Samsung's most expensive flagship might not even deliver the best portrait photography experience. Of course, the Ultra is still expected to dominate long-range zoom photography. It's rumored 5's optical zoom lens should easily handle distant subjects better than the Pro. So if zoom photography matters most to you, the Ultra will probably remain the better choice. But for everyday users, the Galaxy S27 Pro could quietly become the smarter phone overall. Samsung wants the S27 Pro to sit right between the regular S27 and the S27 Ultra, but instead of making it feel like a plus model, they're giving it actual Ultra-level features. And honestly, this sounds very familiar. Apple already did this with the iPhone Pro and Pro Max strategy. Same premium experience, different size. And now Samsung looks ready to do the exact same thing. According to Ice Universe, the Galaxy S27 Pro will feature a 6.47-inch OLED display, while the S27 Ultra keeps the massive 6.9-inch screen. That may not sound like a huge difference on paper, but in real life, it completely changes how the phone feels in your hand. So if you've always wanted Ultra features, but hated carrying around a giant brick in your pocket, the S27 Pro could be the answer. But wait, Samsung isn't stopping there. The S27 Pro is also rumored to get the same privacy display technology found on the Ultra. That means 2 premium models in the lineup will now include one of Samsung's newest display features. At the same time, though, there's a catch. Korean sources say Samsung may skip major display upgrades this year because of rising production costs. But honestly, after the upgrades introduced with the S26 Ultra, most people probably weren't expecting another massive display jump anyway. Now here's where things get interesting. The cameras. Leaks say it's getting the same new 200-megapixel main camera and the same upgraded 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, which sounds insane for a Pro model. But then Samsung does something unexpected. The telephoto camera could be completely different. The S27 Ultra is rumored to ditch the dedicated 3x zoom camera entirely and rely mostly on a powerful 5x zoom sensor instead. So naturally, everyone started asking the same question. Will the S27 Pro also get that 5x camera? Right now, probably not. According to Ice Universe, Samsung may use a different zoom system for the Pro model. And honestly, this single decision could decide whether the S27 Pro becomes a fan favorite or just another confusing Samsung phone, because there's one sensor people really want Samsung to use. The 50-megapixel 3.5x LUP telephoto sensor. This is the same advanced zoom sensor Samsung has reportedly been supplying to Chinese smartphone brands. And if Samsung finally puts it inside the S27 Pro, this phone could end up having one of the best balanced camera systems in the entire lineup. A compact phone, ultra-level cameras, premium display tech, and possibly better ergonomics than the Ultra itself. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.